beat. As usual, though, shout out to Homage. But today, again, we have another pair of the Fence Green Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 RM SPs. I guess SPs means special because this is the one that are actually the Nigels and not the regular ones without the swoosh and the non-bikey. But anyway, this pair is a bigger pair, and there's one discrepancy which I'll get into in a second. Let's just look at this shoe first. There's baby Nigel again, and they didn't even wrap the shoe up in any of the paper. They just threw it all in there. So shout out to the gifter that sent me these. They sent me the correct pair and the size I actually prefer, I think, because a 9.5 and a 10 actually works for me with this sneaker. And I noticed right off the bat, these are 98% different than the other pair that I did the video on a few videos ago. We'll check that out. But I noticed on Nigel's social media, like his Instagram, there's a pair that he was flashing. He was like, "Oh, these ain't coming out. You ain't getting these yet." I'm like, "Whoa!" And those look like the Fear 4s, and those are dope. I mean, I know you guys are tired of seeing this shoe on the channel, but I really like this pair. Like, I would go for these. There goes the driveways. Those are sick. He gives us a nice in-depth look of them. Got the bikey on the back. He was wearing them that day. These are really, really dope. I really, really like those. It looks like the midsole is sail around there. The mudguard is gray. Those are dope. Like, if he would have debuted with those, they might have got some more attention, but we'll see when they drop. I might get a pair. I don't know. But again, this pair is totally different than the one I got. First of all, the green looks different. The green to me looks more like a green. I don't know how to explain it, like a regular green. And the other pair was more of like a, I don't know, like a spruce green. And I'll pull those out just in a second. But let's look at the details of this one. That looks a little crooked. I don't know if that looks crooked to you guys. That looks a little crooked, but it doesn't matter. No one's really looking at that. No one's actually even going to see the bike air on the tongue. But these are dope, though. This is a better pair for sure. I just kind of like the texture of the other pair. But this is the winner right here. I'm going to stick with this pair. They don't transition the same, but they do transition. But let's bring out the other pair. All right, here's the other pair. Here are the spruces, I'm going to call them. And this is a 9.5, like I mentioned before. And as you can tell, it's a totally different color. Okay, here we go with the transition thing again. That's very addicting, guys, doing that to the shoe if it transitions. I've been doing that for 5 years on this channel. So let's look at both of them. We got the spruces and we have the regular fence greens. And the toe boxes are actually the same. Both toe boxes look great on both pairs. They're not too boxy, but I do think the pair in my left hand is the true cut. The pair in my right hand just might be like an older batch. I'm just surprised by the differences because it's just a green shoe. Okay, here's me pointing out the biggest discrepancy. This pair has 6 lace loops and this one has 5. I'm trying to remind myself. There's nothing hiding under there. Yeah, there's only 5. So to figure this out, I went to GOAT, and somebody in the last video brought this up in the comments. They're like, it only has 5. Your pair only has 5. I was like, yeah. So here's a pair on GOAT, but it's a woman's pair and it only has 5. Dang, that pair is clean right there. That one looks like 6. That was a dope pair right there. Those all sales. That was sick. Let's look at this pair right here. Let's see. Oh, whoa, those only have like what? 1, 2, 3, 4? That's got to be like a small shoe. Okay, here we go. This is probably the true one. And that's a dope colorway too. That one had 6. These are sick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those got 5. That's a woman's pair, obviously. But I'd rock those. You guys know I love me some pink, and I would definitely rock those. Those are sick. I don't know. Let's keep going here, and we find another pair. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the pair we were looking at on IG? What? Those are out? He said you ain't getting those. I can get them right now for like, what, $1? What? $1.67? Those was clean. 6 lace holes and all that? Yeah. Look at that toe box, too. Nice and aerodynamic like I like it. Those are sick. I mean, I definitely don't need them, but I would take. Dang, those is clean. I wonder when those actually drop. He was acting like we was never going to get those. Those were friends or family, a 101. Like, I can get them right now for less than $200. I think there's actually a lot of colorways of these shoes. I'm surprised there's so many colorways of the sneaker. But it looks like the men's pair have 6 lace holes. The women's have 5. But damn, these is clean. I don't know, yo. I might have to pick these up. I don't know. Video coming soon, maybe. But this one has 5 lace holes. Like I said, it's probably an older batch. If I didn't get the pair on the left, I'd be cool with them, but I'm glad I got a pair that is the correct size and the correct lace holes. And now we're looking at them closer, and look at the greens. You could obviously tell the green is different. The texture of the sneaker is different. They used 2 different suedes or nubucks. There's something different with that Bike Air. Just my mind just can't figure it out right now. But look, they're totally different shoes. The new one's on the right here. It's a totally different shoes. And tell me what you guys think about the white laces. What do you think about the white laces in these? For me, it just makes them stand out too much. Like I'm a BMX dude and I'm not a BMX dude. It's okay, but as soon as I was done with the video, I took the white laces out and I put the green ones in because I probably still will wear this sneaker. Just not a fan of the white laces. But that's it, guys. Catch me on the next video. I might get those Fear 4 looking Nigels. I don't know. I'm just kind of hyped that they had them for cheap right there. But stay to the next video. I'm probably going to do those Jordan 3 black cements next. And I might go outside for those. So just stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.